y'all doing today? This is Kyle Jacko once again checking in from the ATL. Man, I hope today is an amazing day. Hope today you took off and you just kept on moving forward. You did not let any negativity stop your growth. Hey, I have something new for you right now. This is right here. It's called the Entrepreneurship Series. I have these kings and queens that have their own business. They're doing their own thing in life. And they started from up here, then they put it on paper, then they made it into reality. So I hope they can get you inspired to go out there and start your own business. If you want to start your own business, just keep on moving the right way. But before you're ready to start this right here, I would like to do a moment of silence for all the fallen kings and queens we have lost. As you know, long live Trey, as I always say for my brother. But I need y'all to close your eyes and join me in this moment of silence. Rest in paradise to all the fallen kings and queens. As you know, long live Trey. I keep on saying that, man. Miss you, big bro. But man, right now, I want to bring y'all a queen. This queen right here, I found on social media. I see a lot of stuff she do. She does a lot of stuff when it comes to just putting our motivational quotes out there to the world. And something that we all need to do is always clean our house, clean our workstation, clean everything that's around us. Because you know what? I figure this right here. Once everything else is clean around you, it can make your just personality and everything shine in a different light. So I want y'all to just check this queen out. Miss Tasha, right now I want you to tell them more about yourself.
Hey, my name is Tasha Norwood, but in the business world, I am known as the Clean Queen. I was born and raised in Compton, California, and I run my own cleaning business. It's called Sonshines Cleaning Service.
Okay. What made you want to start your own business?
I wanted to start my own business because at the time my child was 6 months, we were living place to place, and I had just started working part-time at LA Fitness. The money I would come home with was barely enough to pay for our hotel room for the week. So I knew I had to do something so my child could have a great life.
Okay. What are some of the tools do you think entrepreneurs need to actually do start their own business, do what they gotta do in their life?
Being a successful entrepreneur means more than starting new ventures every other day. It means the right attitude towards a business and the determination and grit to achieve success. A successful entrepreneur always has a strong sense of self-confidence and a healthy opinion of their skills and abilities.
Okay. I have something on this channel right here. It's called the motivation of an entrepreneur. So I want you to go in detail and tell people about yourself even more.
Sunshine's Cleaning Service offers basic and deep cleaning. I clean residential, commercial, Airbnb vacation rentals, construction sites, move in and move out, laundry, life after death/trauma, and I offer other services such as preparing homes for sales, organizing, running errands, preparing home for babies, downsizing, and data entry. My prices are always reasonable, and if not, I'm always willing to work with my clients because I understand it's not always easy.
Okay. What do you want people to take away from this series right here?
I want people to take away from this that you are able to get out there and live your dream as a full-time entrepreneur.
Okay. As y'all know, right now, this is time for the motivational prayer. These motivational prayers are done because I know when two people get together, they pray. I know that everybody else gets a prayer. I know if I pray for you and you pray for me, man, everything will keep on going the right way. So I need all y'all to bow your heads with me for this motivational prayer. God, thank you right now for everything you do in our life. Thank you for everything you letting us see, God. For all these entrepreneurs out here, God, I want you to just keep on just blessing their business, blessing their mind state. Let them keep on moving forward and let somebody else watch these videos and get to a business sense where they want to go out there and start their own business, do what they're doing right now. God, thank you for everything you're doing in my life. Thank you for everything you let me see. And thank you for just giving me the voice to be able to speak to people. Amen. So the next one, ma'am, I want you to give them all your social media, anything, so they can get in contact with you about your business.
You can find me on Facebook under Wipe Away Your Cleaning Troubles and on Instagram at sunshines underscore cleaning underscore service underscore LLC.
Okay. This right here, what I call the entrepreneurship motivational message. So I'm gonna let you run with this one. This is all you right now. What would you like to tell the people just about being in entrepreneurship and just motivating them?
I want people to understand that no matter what you're going through, you can achieve what you put your mind and hard work to. Understand that there will be trials and tribulations. People won't believe in you, and you will lose people along the way. But it's okay. All of that is necessary when you're elevating to the top. Number one, put God first, and He'll lead the way. Life is truly what you make it.
Okay. Well, I just want to tell y'all this right here, man. In life sometimes won't let all the doors open. But I do know one thing. Once you keep your prayers high, you keep your vision strong on what you want to do in life, only thing you gotta do is keep on moving forward. As you see from this queen right here, no matter what she went through in life, good or bad, she kept on moving forward. She kept on trusting the process. She kept on believing that she had something to give the world. What she's doing right now is something very motivational wise. Because as I see from mine, that you look on Instagram, you look everything up on Instagram, always positive, always motivation. So I want y'all to go out there, be that lion, be that lioness, and just enjoy yourself and then get your dreams and just love your life. Miss Tasha, what else would you like to tell people before we wrap up this video?
I would just like to say keep pushing, keep moving, keep grinding. You got it.
Okay then, man. This has been another motivational message video. I hope you enjoyed the entrepreneurship series. Thank y'all very much for supporting this. And make sure you're going to support this queen right here and all the kings and queens that's part of this series. Y'all take care. Have a blessed day. Keep a smile on your face. Remember, you're worth it.